Welcome to our channel where we make complicated insurance claims straightforward and stress-free. Welcome to our channel where we make complicated insurance claims straightforward and stress-free. After an accident, claiming your car insurance can feel overwhelming, but by following a few simple steps, you can ensure a smooth and successful process. First, safety is your priority. Make sure everyone involved is safe and call emergency services if needed. Next, document everything thoroughly. Take clear photos of the accident scene, vehicle damages, and any visible injuries. Collect contact information and statements from all parties and witnesses involved. Once at a safe location, notify your insurance company as soon as possible. Provide them with accurate details of the incident without admitting fault. Your insurer will guide you through the next steps, which usually involve filing an official claim form. Keep a copy of all documents you submit and note down any claim reference numbers. An insurance adjuster may be assigned to assess the damages and process your claim. Cooperate fully and provide any additional information they request. Keep track of repair estimates from reputable shops and maintain communication with your insurer about your claim's status. Finally, once your claim is approved and repairs are done, confirm that payments or reimbursements have been processed. Staying organized and proactive throughout this process helps minimize stress and speeds up your recovery from the accident. Remember, being prepared and informed is the best way to handle an insurance claim successfully. If you follow these clear steps, claiming car insurance becomes a manageable part of your accident recovery. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more insightful guides and useful tips.